Okay, and thanks again for reaching at this level. So one important thing is really about shortcuts in Windows. Computer has lots of shortcuts. You can go online and search, and it has a tremendous amount of shortcuts. Okay, Windows 10 shortcut, and it'll find an amazing shortcuts you want it to. Okay, Windows 10 key support. It's for the from the Microsoft. By the way, I didn't really create a slide or something on the screen because this way we are a little closer and open, and you understand the system, and then you can search by your own and find your needs. Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts is a lot of things, okay? Copy Control C, cut Control X, paste Control V, a maximum Windows, F11. Let's see, it really works. You can see now. Or you can say Windows logo. So Control C is really copying anything. Okay, copy. And you can see, paste it really. Oops, I did it wrong. And then Control X is cutting it, okay? So you hold the control and you hit the X. Control V is pasting. This is the maximum window F11 or Windows logo 10 up up arrow. So you can see now the effect. Oops. So for some reason it don't work. That's fine. So you can use F11. Sorry, if not F10, F10, F12 is another. And Windows logo tab is really task view. Okay, you can see I have two tasks right now. And another is switch between open windows. So you can Windows logo key plus D. So you can see now. But it really doesn't do that work. It really shows the desktop and hides the desktop. You can shut down options. Okay, the Windows logo key and X. You can lock your PC. And depending on your hardware, you can screenshot, okay, Windows key. And I'm gonna hold if in because my computer is different. And it took the pictures. And it really is in pictures folder. You can see all of that in here. So let's see the more shortcuts possible. For Windows 10, yeah. And you can say settings about the keyboard, about the taskbar, okay, about the virtual disk bar, anything. And computer has shortcut. And you should learn them really daily or anytime. So for example, I'm opening right now my this PC, holding Windows logo key with E. So there you go, it opened. Now if I want to really to see a full screen, I'm gonna hit and press Alt space, Alt space, sorry, Alt, and then Alt space C. You have to really quickly hit Alt space, okay? Alt space, and then there you go. You can see move, size, maximize, minimize, and close. And you might really understand there is a little underline each one of that. So I'm gonna make it bigger. And I can close it with Alt F4, okay? Alt F4, and I can reopen it. And I can go to any folders using arrow keys I wanted to. So let me just bring a keyboard that's better in the screen. So this is my keyboard, okay? And I want to go up and down, okay? You can see I can go up and down anytime possible. Right? There you go. And I can all this space to see it, or I can hit escape. I can tap it. Tab moves from one to another. You can see tab. Tap there. There's the tab. There's the tab. There's the tab. Tab is everywhere. For example, I want to go, and if once I ready Alt, there you go. I'm gonna hit escape right now, and Alt. Oops. So I'm gonna really go with this. Tab. So this is the right, correct. I'm gonna Alt space. Oops. I'm gonna hit Alt. It don't work too much. Yeah. Once you hit Alt, once you hold Alt, so there you go. You can see a lot of things in here. I'm gonna go through the view. Oops, this should be big really. That it worked really. So V. Then it says where you want to go. For example, I want to go to the L. Oh, it went to through the L, or it didn't. So it already went through the L. Yeah. I'm gonna go through the F, for example, G. Let's say G. Oops. So in the keyboard you work it, and it works fine. Okay. And these things are also working lots of things that gets you to the help and to the help support of Microsoft, and this changes the name, and this do another work, and all of that function keys are really working lots of works. So I'm not gonna go through each one that right now because it takes a little of so much of time, your time. So I want you to really be creative and finding really lots of shortcuts for yourself, and then really practically do that in your work, in office, or maybe personal use or anything. So good luck.